Hi guys, welcome back. So to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always tuning in. And to my new subscribers, hi, my name is Joy. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigerian. And if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. So guys, today we're making this very crunchy and yummy Nigerian buns. Guys, trust me when I say this recipe is one recipe you need to try. This tastes so good. Tastes more like cake. It's also called a cake buns. So this is one recipe you need to try and share to your family and to your friends. So guys, first I'll be sieving my flour, my dry ingredients. Generally I'll sieve all my dry ingredients, go in with my sugar, and then I'll set aside. So guys, this is the baking powder I'm using for this recipe. The buns recipe I have on my channel, someone asked for the brand of baking powder I'm using, and this is the brand of baking powder I use, but feel free to use any brand of your choice. Okay, so I'll just combine my dry ingredients together and then I'll go in with my margarine, and feel free to use any brand of margarine. Okay, it goes so well with every brand, trust me. And guys, I'll be listing out the ingredients and the accurate measurement for this recipe, so please do well to check the description box. Okay, and guys, you want to make sure your hands are thoroughly clean because you'll be mixing with your hands. So after combining your dry ingredients with your margarine, this is how your mixture should look like breadcrumbs. Okay, so I'll just do this and set aside. Next is my wet ingredients, and guys, I'll be using powdered milk for this recipe. I'll just dissolve with some water. Guys, if you've watched till this time and you've still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free of charge. Please and please do well to subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to be notified once I upload a new video. Thank you. So next I'll crack my egg, then go in with my vanilla flavor, combine well and set aside. So now to my dry ingredients, I'll create a space in the middle, then go in with my egg mixture. And afterwards, I'll go in with my liquid milk bit by bit. Guys, this is why I called this buns cake buns. It tastes so much like cake. Tastes so good, so yummy. Trust me when I say you will love this, okay? And guys, we're not needing too much. You just want to mix well to avoid any form of lump. You just mix and go in with your milk bit by bit until you exhaust everything, okay? So guys, finally we are done mixing, and here is a quick tutorial on how to scoop your buns dough into your hot oil. It's just same method with the puff puff. Okay guys, we are ready to fry. Please, your oil should be on a medium heat to avoid not cooking inside. Okay, Finally, our Nigerian cake buns is ready. Guys, this is crunchy outside and super moist inside. When I say this tastes so yummy, trust me, this is super yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.